In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the font size in your Gmail inbox. If you're finding it a bit challenging to read emails because the font is too small, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through a simple way to make everything much clearer. Now let's dive in together and tweak those settings to enhance our viewing experience. The best part? It just takes a few minutes. First, open up your favorite web browser and load up Google Search. There, in the search bar, type in "How to increase font size in Gmail inbox." Once you hit enter, you'll see a variety of results, but you want to look for official guidance or support articles that can take you through the steps accurately and safely. Typically, Google's own help pages or reputable tech blogs will provide the most reliable instructions. Next, once you've found a credible site, look over the instructions. Oftentimes, these guides will recommend adjusting settings directly within Gmail by accessing your Gmail account settings. Head over to Gmail, and in the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Click on this icon to open the Quick Settings menu and then select See All Settings. This will lead you to the Settings page, where you'll have a range of options to customize your Gmail experience. In Gmail settings, there is no direct option to increase the overall font size for the inbox or interface. However, there's a handy workaround using display settings. Here's a top tip. Adjusting your browser's zoom settings is a quick workaround that often works perfectly for increasing text size universally across your browser views, including Gmail. Therefore, the simplest method is to adjust this setting in your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, for instance, you can easily change the zoom by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, locate Zoom and increase the percentage as needed. Say you start at 100%, try pushing it up to 125% or 150% to see what feels comfortable for you visually. Remember, this will affect all web content viewed through the browser and not just Gmail, so be sure to adjust this according to your overall preference. Alternatively, for a more refined adjustment exclusively for Gmail, look into providing feedback to Google through the Settings menu. There's a section where you can suggest additional features or improvements. This input can help raise awareness of accessibility options users are seeking. Keep in mind, as you adjust the settings, to refresh your page to ensure all changes are applied. Once you've found a setup that works for you, reading and composing emails should be a much more pleasant experience. Hopefully, this guide has made your digital reading a little brighter and your inbox that much more enjoyable to navigate. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.